It's a tip. It has been a long time since I've seen you, and it is Thanksgiving week. I want to know what you're thankful for. I'm thankful for you guys to watch my Tuesday tips, so thank you. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Thanksgiving dried corn. And you make it every Thanksgiving, and this is how you do it.
On that dirty ground, because I love to hear you call my Indian red. Mighty crucify
Then pop it in the oven for a few hours, and then let it dry out for maybe a few hours. They're good for salads, for a snack, for leftover turkey. Happy Thanksgiving!